Okay, time to take a look at the Redagod 2500 watt power strip box. It does come with a user manual. And there is the box. So the top of the case is kind of interesting because it has these slots cut out so you can throw in a tablet or like your phone or something like that. So it's a power box as well as a stand-in one. Then we got our power strip on the inside and we got these slots cut in so we can kind of neatly string all of our cords in through the back. And then we just have this box sitting on our desk. So very nice for cable management or just for making everything look a lot cleaner. And this is one thing I really like to see. So this is a plug where the wire comes out the side instead of out the back. So that way you can plug this into an outlet and then you can put a shelf or something in front of it. You don't have to worry about that wire poking out the back. And because it's going at kind of an angle, you can actually put this in a top outlet and you can put a brick underneath it and you don't have to worry about this wire getting in the way. So very well designed plug. So the power switch is on the side of the box. That way you don't need to take anything out if you ever want to shut everything off. We got 8 power outlets, 2 USB-A outlets, and 1 USB-C outlet. And the box says that the USB-C is a power delivery 20 watt. And the orange USB-A outlet is a quick charge 3.0 at 18 watts. And the yellow is an auto ID 12 watts. So quite a bit of power out of 3 little ports. So I can plug in power supply, plug in low power charging right here. And I can plug in my USB-C right there. I can just cover that up, supply power to it. And I can charge my camera. And I can plug in my phone. And we are charging. In fact, I can just take this thing, throw it toward the back. I got everything a lot more tidy. I got a nice little platform here, so that's something you don't normally get with power strips, where it just kind of takes up room and there's a bunch of stuff. You can't really put anything on it. That is a very nice box. I like that.